Hi, this is Emily from VoiceX Communications. This is a short instructional video to show you how to set up your new Philips SpeechLive account on your iPhone. Once this has been set up and you've logged in, you can start dictating and sending files to your typist directly from your iPhone. So step number 1 is to find the Apple App Store on your iPhone, which looks like this. Tap the App Store to open it. Step number 2 is to tap on the search bar up the top and start writing SpeechLive. You'll then get a result for Philips SpeechLive, which you'll select by tapping on it. Step number 3 is to download the Philips SpeechLive app. Once the app's finished downloading, it will come up with a button saying Open. Press this button to open the app. Step number 4 is to select Sign into SpeechLive. This will come up with a message asking you to be redirected to another site to sign in, and you should select Continue. Once the sign-in page loads, enter your SpeechLive credentials that you set up from the original welcome email. Once you've entered your details, select Sign In, and this will take you to the home screen of the Philips SpeechLive app where you can start dictating.